You are stepping into a season of responsibility, whether that is professionally or personally, but you are definitely stepping into a position of leadership, okay? And because you are going to have a lot more responsibility, you're being called to recognize the fact that you're going to need guidance, okay? And so when I see guidance, it makes me say tapping into your spiritual team, right? Getting to know the people on the other side of the veil that help you, because it's real. And whether it's family members, pets, you know what I'm saying, lost loved ones, whatever you believe that is working on the invisible side of seers for your higher good, get to know and get to know who they are. You can discover this through meditation. One of the ways that I was explained on how to do this is basically you get a journal, okay, and you sit down and you do some really great deep breathing for, I would say, maybe about a minute. Once you've cleared your head, and as much as possible, try to be in like a dark room with not a lot of lighting to kind of interrupt your thought process. And then what you want to do is you want to say, who's here with me? Write down the first number that comes to your mind. What's your name? Write down the first name that comes to your mind. Now, at first, this shit seems crazy, okay? You might, oh, okay, I just wrote down my grandmother. Like, you're going to go through this process of needing to understand that, like, the information you're getting is correct. It's just up to you if you want to receive it or not, okay? So, getting to know who your spiritual team is. And if that's not for you, just connecting with your higher power more than you usually do. That's what you're being guided to do at this time, okay? And why? Because of the responsibility. So you're stepping into a leadership role, but that leadership position comes with so much responsibility that you are going to need guidance, which means utilizing collaboration, knowing how to delegate, but at the same time, maybe also knowing how to operate like a team player, right? They're in a group. Power and potential. So what's interesting is power and potential were on each side, but behind both of them was connectivity. So when I see that, that means to me, you're stepping into your power and you're about to start experiencing your potential. Up until then, it's only been your potential. But